What's up, guys? If you clicked on this video, then you're probably eager to learn all about Google's AI mode. And as some of you might know, last week Google unveiled a game changer of a search update called AI mode. Now, this isn't just another core algorithm update or even a minor update. Google's AI mode is set to be a total restructuring of how we use Google as a search engine. And my speculation is that this has probably been in the making for quite a while, especially after ChatGPT first threatened Google's search dominance a few years ago when ChatGPT was released in November 2022. So in this video, we're going to dive into Google's AI mode, where we'll cover exactly what Google AI mode is, some of the key features you need to know, how and where you can access AI mode, what AI mode means for search, how will it affect Google search, what marketers and businesses should start doing now, and how I will be thinking about AI mode in my own work moving forward. Now, if we haven't met before, my name is JD and I've been doing SEO for business-to-business software companies for the last 8 years, and I've helped businesses grow their revenue and their web presence. I built my career working in-house and at search agencies where I've had the experience and opportunity to work with a wide range of companies. So if you like this video, please go ahead and drop a like. I'd love to know what you think, so let me know your comments in the comment section down below. And lastly, consider subscribing to the channel for digital marketing tips, tricks, and industry updates. Now, let's get back into the video. So last week, Google certainly grabbed all the headlines with the announcement of their AI video generator, Veo 3, as well as Google AI mode. And one of the most common questions that came out of that conference was, what is AI mode and how is it going to affect search? So let's talk about it. AI mode is Google's latest innovation, which transforms the search engine into an interactive conversational experience, just like ChatGPT, Perplexity, Claude, or DeepSeek. Think of AI mode as Google's answer to an AI-assisted search. AI mode is powered by Gemini 2.5, and really it's an expansion of what AI Overviews is already doing, but it does this with more advanced reasoning, thinking, and multimodal capabilities. What this means is AI mode has the ability to process, understand, and analyze data from multiple sources. Data sources such as text or written language, images, and visual data. This would be things like photos and illustrations, audio clips. This would be speech or music. You can upload video with or without accompanying audio, and code analysis. After the user has uploaded their data, AI mode will then deliver the user a comprehensive and synthesized answer to their toughest questions. This is a dramatic shift away from the traditional list of blue links we've all been used to in the search. Google's indicating that they're shifting to a conversational, AI-driven interaction, but this didn't drop out of the blue. A few months ago, on March 5th, 2025, Google announced that they had been testing AI mode with internal teams, and they had also been testing it with some trusted testers. They went on to explain that they have been expanding the test to users who have opted in with Experience Labs. And according to Robbie Steen, who's Google's VP of Product in Google Search, here's a quote from him. "What makes this experience unique is that it brings together advanced modal capabilities with Google's best-in-class information systems, and is built right into search. You can not only access high-quality web content, but also tap into fresh, real-time sources like the knowledge graph, info about the real world, and shopping data for billions of products. It uses a query fan-out technique, issuing multiple related searches concurrently across subtopics and multiple data sources, and then brings those results together to provide an easy-to-understand response. This approach helps you access more breadth and more depth. So whether you're doing topical research, you're planning a trip, you're comparing products, AI mode will search the web for you and deliver a comprehensive answer. In addition, it has the ability to go further into a topic with follow-up questions and provide web link citations. Now that we have an understanding of what AI mode is, let's talk about specific features of AI mode and talk about it in more detail. Like we discussed earlier, conversational interface is a really big feature. AI mode offers conversational interface that enables users to engage in a back and forth dialogue with the search engine. In its answers, it delivers synthesized responses using Gemini 2.5, and it delivers a comprehensive answer instead of just providing a list of links. It's also capable of handling complex queries, and this feature is really useful for complex or multi-part questions and those requiring exploration, reasoning, or comparisons. Lastly, it offers an opportunity for follow-up questions. This gives the user the ability to refine their search through follow-up questions, leading to a more interactive and tailored tailored experience. The second feature that we already touched on a little bit earlier is multimodal input capabilities. And this feature allows the user to add their text, images, audio files, video, or code and get a response. The next feature is integration with existing search. AI mode delivers enhanced search results and is designed to enhance the existing search results. It does this with AI-generated summaries and it provides relevant links. Lastly, the user is able to switch back and forth between AI mode and standard search results. The last feature I want to talk about is deep search powered by AI. It really has strong research power. With Gemini 2.5, it pulls up detailed reports complete with citations and links, and it taps into real-time info and even uses live video and audio for dynamic queries. So now that we know what AI mode is and we've talked a little bit about the features, let's talk about what AI mode means for search. AI mode marks a significant paradigm shift in Google's approach to search and how they're going to capture that search behavior. Users are moving from keyword-based queries to natural language conversation searches. And they're doing this because they're seeking direct answers rather than just a list of links. And we've seen this as ChatGPT, Perplexity, DeepSeek, and Claude have all gotten more popular. And unfortunately, this evolution means a decrease in click-through rate. We're probably going to need a renewed emphasis on content quality and develop new KPIs. Past metrics like page views might become less relevant because instead of typing a few keywords and sifting through a bunch of links, what people are looking for now is to have full conversations with search and get answers immediately. That means fewer clicks to outside websites since the info is already served up right in Google AI. And then for content creators, this puts an extra pressure on quality. And unfortunately, Google AI is going to pull from the best and most trustworthy sources. So in order for you to get one of those citations, you're going to have high quality content. When it comes to measuring success, it's definitely not going to be about page views anymore. Engagement, usefulness, and how satisfied users feel after getting their answer, that's going to be the new game. So what does this all mean for businesses and marketers? For marketers and businesses, AI mode definitely presents a lot of challenges and perhaps some opportunities. For starters, according to Google Search Central, which is Google's official documentation, what they're saying, while specific optimization isn't required for AI overviews in AI mode, all existing SEO fundamentals continue to be worthwhile. So essentially, don't change anything. You don't have to optimize for anything. However, in my opinion, this statement should be taken with a bright red asterisk because Google is notorious for doing one thing, but the people observe another. We'll definitely be keeping a watchful eye on how AI mode changes search, but webmasters and businesses should do the following. Companies, businesses, marketers should do the following to give themselves the best shot of showing up in AI overviews as well as the AI mode feature of Google. Ensure that crawling is allowed in robots.txt and by any CDN or hosting infrastructure. Ensure content is easily findable on your site through internal links. You're going to want to focus on creating comprehensive and authoritative content that Google seems valuable because if Google sees your content as valuable, you're gonna have a better shot as getting pulled from the AI. Provide a great experience for users. Make sure that important content is available in text form. When you have text like a blog post, resource page, support that text with high quality images or videos. On your web pages, mark them up with schema or structured data. Check that your merchant center and business profile is up to date. Implement a diversified marketing channel. This is probably going to be a really big one. If you're relying only on organic search, this might not suffice any longer. For this reason, businesses have to integrate other channels like social media, email marketing, and paid advertising. You're going to have to adapt to generative engine optimization or GEO landscape. And this is embracing strategies that optimize content for AI generated responses and ensure viability within Google's AI mode and AI overviews. So AI mode is here. Google search is changing, user behavior is changing, and we're all asking, what is AI mode's impact going to be? And I think we're all kind of asking this question around how is AI mode going to impact our traffic? Because we have a pretty good idea that it's going to affect our traffic based on what AI overviews has done to our traffic, but we just don't know how much yet. So if you're a physical location or you sell a product, you might see a gradual decline in traffic over time. And this decline will probably come from your blogs or your resources page, because like we've seen with AI overviews, Google's AI is really good at spinning that content, and this will continue to siphon off your informational traffic. In contrast, informational blog sites and affiliate marketers who publish listicle articles, these guys will probably be hit the hardest. SEO isn't going away, at least not yet, but it's certainly going to look a lot different in the next 6 months and even a year from now. That's why structured data, topical authority, and aligning content to users will really matter more than ever. Search is really going through a profound transformation, something that I haven't seen before, shifting from discovery to delivery. Businesses need to focus on review management, on trusted review sites, and overall brand presence, and make sure that they appear well in trusted publications. Lastly, I'll leave you with this. You're going to need to develop a holistic marketing channel approach, because this is going to give you the best chance that you're going to be referenced in Google's AI overview or AI mode, and you want to give your user a good user experience. So wrapping things up here, Google's AI mode is certainly more than just a feature. It's the future of search, and users are expecting fast answers served to them, and they want to engage with the search engines like a conversational chatbot, kind of like when we were introduced to ChatGPT 3 years ago. They want these fast answers, and they're expecting them in AI mode search box. We've already seen a decrease in clicks from AI overviews, and this trend of a decrease in clicks will likely accelerate with AI mode. So if you're a marketer or a business owner, we really just got to stay informed, adapt, refine your strategies, and embrace the change that's well on its way, and there's really no stopping it. So if this helped, give it a like, drop your comments down below, because I'd really love to hear from you. And don't forget to subscribe for more updates on how tech is changing the way that we work and grow online. And lastly, if you want to know how I landed a 6-figure job in digital marketing and really how I got my start, then you're going to want to watch this next video. Until then, I'll catch you in the next one.